Hi guys, press like button, place your comment, subscribe and share this video among the world. Okay, world. Okay, um, yep, let's continue and I remind you that you don't see anything, okay? Okay, so, so, I remind you that we have successfully built Linux. And what do we have? Okay, we have some stuff here. We have this file which is being generated recently, right? We also have those files, I believe, and some other stuff, okay? So the next step, I think, is to just compare. So yep, I see here is some links, but those links are for files located here. So init rd image, by the way, there are two of them. And Linux also. Okay, so it looks like I have somehow two versions, and it's strange. Ah, no, it's not strange. So here is old version and here is new version. Okay, so maybe. Um, okay, so we focus only on ones. Okay, for this one, I don't know what is it, and I don't think it really matters. This one is um, okay. This one is grub, right? Is grub, I think, is grub, but I'm not sure. I mean, this EFI is not connected to OS, I think, and this grub, so grub, it contains grub config. This is I know for sure. This grub config, um, it's permission denied, of course. So in this grub config, it is 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so let's finish what we were born to do. Woo. Okay, so I see I showed you some file which is grub config, right? And what I think is that mm, how to say. So in this file, basically, the first problem is that we actually don't see it in Ubuntu installation. Okay, so probably the better way to show you guys is to create a virtual box, right, and show you on the video. But I'm too lazy. Sorry. So yeah, so let's check out this file. So yeah, so here we can see that basically what it does. So there is, like, when you boot to grub, you have like some options to choose from, and one of the options is here. So it's called Ubuntu, and here is Linux file specified, right? So basically this is our kernel, or this is our kernel. So I don't know what to do next, but you know what we can do? We can just try to do. We can go back here to our Linux, and remember we did make, right? So why don't we do make install? Okay, this will break, right? Break my computer, okay? So you will see at least. Okay. I need to grab some water, guys. Hold a minute. Okay, so what do we have? I saw some errors, but let's press uh, dollar question mark. Nice, nice. So command actually success, right? Okay, that's good. That's very good. Sorry. Um, okay, so actually, so now if I do boot minus ltr, so yeah, this is the files, right? New files. So we see that we see this file, right? And we see this file. Also, we see this and this. Um, Also, we see this file is pointing on this, and this file is pointing on this. Okay, guys, I don't know. Can we reboot just now? I mean, I can, you can't, because you're watching this video, right? And I hope you don't have remote access. So I want also to check. You remember this one? Hmm. VM Linux stayed the same, right? Wow, wait. I think this is new one, right? Because this is the version that is new. So basically, grub has a new menu entry. Ubuntu with Linux 6.8.0. Guys, what is happening? Oh my god. And by the way, if we do git, hmm, I don't know, git log 6.9. Origin master 6.9. By the way, Linus is working on it right now. It was yesterday. Oh my god, Linus. When do you sleep, right? Okay, so actually we can say that it's 6.8, but here it says 6.9. Anyway, so right now I already have menu entry, but I don't think that Ubuntu will by default will allow me to boot correctly, because I remember that when I start my PC I don't have this grab screen. So let's just double check. Ubuntu enable grab screen, because just to be okay, so it says about two things. First thing is this one, which I don't have. Second one is this one, which I don't have also, right? Cool, Ubuntu, cool, you're very cool. Okay, no, seriously, what is happening? Oh my god. Oh my god, Ubuntu, canonical. How to get the grab menu at boot time. Booting into recovery mode. Okay, I prefer this one. Menu will appear if you press and hold shift during loading grab if you boot using BIOS. When your system boots using UEFI, press escape. I don't know, to be honest. For permanent change, you'll need to edit your... Okay, I can do that. Place... okay. Okay, so we can also check this file with sudo. Yeah, boy. boy. Okay, so first timeout style. Timeout style. So place symbol at the start of hidden timeout to comment it out. If that line doesn't exist, then you can comment out this line instead. And change group timeout to 5. Nice, nice. Yeah, let's do it, guys. So first, grab timeout. We change it to 5, and this one will comment out. Um, nice. I like it. So, okay, guys, I will stop this video because I will reboot right now. Um, so this one is I'm recording now. And by the way, also how to check kernel version. So now, which kernel I have, so we can verify that we actually did something. Okay, I remember this command from my young age. Okay, so here we have 6.5, okay? So this is the old kernel, 6.5, but we installed 6.8. So I will reboot now and we will check this number, the same command, okay? So if you see right now, if you watch this, the chances are that I successfully did it, right? Okay, guys, I will stop the video and we'll reboot and we'll hope that I will boot, right? Let's go. Okay, guys, so first of all, I did enter grab menu, okay? I needed to press shift and escape, I hold them and I get into grab menus and I pressed advanced options and there was my option from grab. But it did not succeed. But it gave me some message that was talking about modules. And this is the key point because I remember that they there may be some other command. To be honest, something connected with modules, and maybe we need to compile them as well. I mean, nice architecture Linux. But anyway, cd Linux. So make. So let's actually check or make tap 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 tap. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my god. Oh, how bad is it? Okay. Make file. Okay, okay. No, no, no. In make file all. Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know how to do it. Just let's search. Module op. Yep, you see. But by default, build all modules as well. So by default, it built all modules as well. So I don't actually need to build them. But here you can see okay, modules install. I don't know, guys, but let's just try. I don't know. Make modules install. Oh yeah. By the way, let's check lib lib models. Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah, you see. So this is our existing kernels. Yep. So I think we are on a good path. I think we are on a good path. Man, if it will work, I don't know, I will smash something, you know? No, I'm joking. I will just upload this video and that's all. Well, I expected installing going faster, to be honest. So maybe modules are more than a kernel even. Okay, we can just think about peace, about world, about global warming. What do you think about global warming, guys? I think it's overrated, to be honest. Oh my. Okay, I will stop the video. Sorry, guys. Or no, I will not stop the video. You will watch this with me. Just relax. Just enjoy this process of installing modules. Okay, when it's installing, I will talk like why do we do this, like, right? So I mean, we use Linux, okay? So I use Linux, right? It's my desktop operating system. I use it every day. It works. Why do I need to change anything? Why do I need to compile my own kernel? And the answer is there is no profit from it. And I'm serious right now because it is already done by distribution by Ubuntu developers. So it's not profitable for me to change something in that. I mean, maybe I can disable something that I don't need because probably developers of Ubuntu created some sort of. I mean, we all. I mean, I think Ubuntu is the distribution that works on most PCs. So chances are that they compiled the kernel with possibilities to work on a lot of PCs, right? So having in mind my my own PC, not every PC. In theory, I could disable something, right? So I can make it less. But what is will it make kernel faster? I think no. Will it make kernel less memory? Maybe yes, but do I really care about memory size? So there is no real profit to this. So it does. So if you want speed, you will not gain speed. So yeah, unfortunately, that's how life is. So you remember when I was compiling this kernel, right? It took a lot, and notice that I used like this option minus J4 to use like four parallel. So to parallelize the build in four threads. So it was running parallel on four threads, and even it was so long. So imagine if I would run it in one thread, it will take four times more time. So if I had a custom kernel, would it compile faster? I don't really think so. Again, kernel is, I mean, I don't think we can. Well, yes, yeah. So globally, in theory, yes. I mean, we saw this config, right? You remember when I first cloned Linux and I tried to make it, but it says like, yo man, you don't have a config, please create a config. And I created a config and it gave me a lot of options that I was choosing. And also note that I think that it took somehow my current config. But since my current kernel is 6.5, it is not having all the new features that 6.8 has. That's why I needed to choose those new features, right? So yeah, also remember I somehow disabled certification stuff, okay? So again, you saw that there is a lot of options, and of course, in theory, if you disable some of them, oh, why? Okay, we are ready to go. Uh, okay, now I see this one, and I'm happy. So again, guys, I will stop this video again, and if you will see, so please hope that this will be successful time. So I will success in second time. Okay, it's like a first try, but second try. Okay, so okay, so just let it be, okay? Let it happen, okay? I will just reboot right now, okay? I will pause the video and I will just reboot, okay? Okay, guys, so this is not fun anymore. So Mm, what we have tried is first we um first we cloned Linux, second we built it, third we installed it, fourth we installed modules. But what if we need to run make install again because we installed modules? Could it be? Could it be the case, guys? Because if no, I am giving up. Sorry, guys. I mean, you know, you know what I mean. Okay. So, by the way, I don't see errors I got last time. Okay. Maybe this is good. Okay. I will reboot once more. Okay, guys. And I hope this will be the last reboot. Not in the live, but for this video at least. Okay. Okay guys, so I don't know, I rebooted and it did not give me error. It was a little bit slower than usual. Like it says load kernel and then like run in D or something like that, and it was like few seconds. That scared me, but after that it loaded and I don't know. I mean, it could load the default one, so don't know what will happen now, so I don't know which kernel I have right now. So if we have 6.8, that means that we successfully created our own kernel from source. We build it from source and we successfully use it as kernel of our desktop operating system, which is cool, right? It is like, okay. So let's just check that, right? So let's don't waste any time. But if this is not the case, I mean, I give up really. Sorry guys, but I give up. No way, right? It should be, it should be final part of the video, guys. Because if no, I don't know. It's very bad. Okay, so let's run the command that will decide our future. Guys, I don't see, guys. Oh, is it 6.8, guys? I mean, I'm not joking. I don't know. So I will look right now. Okay, are you ready? This is live reaction. Ah! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, boy. Is it 6.8? Really? Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah, boy, 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 boy. Oh, boy, boy, boy. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. Okay, guys. To be honest, after coming home, I was thinking about to abort this whole operation. I mean, I was thinking about just saying, yo guys, we built kernel and that's all. I will not install it because I cannot show you, blah blah blah. You can install it yourself, right? But you know what? I did it. I did it, guys. I really did it. Yeah. By the way, when you put to show grab menu, I just hold the shift button. Escape is not needed at all. Oh my god, guys, 6.8, 6.8. So, yeah, coming back to the question, like, I will just place it so you can enjoy this 6.8 kernel. So, what is the profit we got from this exercise, right? So, we spent how many, like 1 hour, right? I mean, I spent a lot of more, right? Because I was not recording everything. But what actually we gave, okay? Apart from the fact that we built kernel from source and installed it. No, apart from this, what we got? As I said, we did not get anything. Why we didn't get anything? Because this config of this kernel, which is so how I understand, right? So the kernel is improving, right? So you saw it, right? So Linus Torvalds just yesterday merged something. So it is constantly improving, and but it's not like hard coding, right? So we as a programmers, I mean, I and when when I write program, I just hard code it, right? But Linus is better because he actually gives us configuration file. So even if he, you saw in this video. So when I was making the configuration file, it was giving me new options that was not in current kernel I had because so those options are came at 6.8 or maybe other from 6.5. So actually, as I understand, every feature added to Linux is controlled in theory. I mean, yeah, I mean, in theory we can control it, okay, by this config file. So as you understand, I will not go deep in this file. So in several reasons. So first, it's unreadable, right? So of course we can just like I can just show you, right? So we can go to our Linux folder where we built our Linux, and we can open this config that we generated, and you can see that it is actually not read it. Uh, yeah, it's not read it, right? So what is config RAID 6? I know I can guess what is RAID, but what is PQ, right? So, and if we try to Google it, um, I don't think it will actually really help. So, uh, the point I'm trying to say is that you probably didn't hear what I was saying at all. But no, you see, so I need to have a new water. But yeah, actually, so you can have the explanation of this option, right? So okay, but do you actually need it, or does it actually make sense, or does it improve anything? So again, as I said, even if we will imagine, okay, you will remove all necessary stuff, okay? So I don't know. I just maybe it's just I'm just making excuses, right? To not, but again, so just for you to understand, maybe if you don't understand, so vc dot config 12,340, so 12k options, okay? So do you think it is real to check them all? I don't think so. Okay. So the only option is the manually checking every option is definitely not the possibility, right? So maybe if you want to improve, I don't know. Of course, everybody wants to improve their kernel maybe speed, right? So or call it, I don't know. Let's call it performance. Okay. So um, which options to improve performance? Um, but I have another question just for this question. Why did not performance is the best by default? So performance should be based by default, right? So we can have better performance only by disabling something, okay? Okay, so for example, networking. So it says adjust network parameters such as TCP buffer size, okay? So how do you make the decision? It's not straightforward at all. Database such buffer size. How we can? I mean, those values should be customized by the default values. So default values should be great. They should be the best. So I think it's more about some custom maybe processors, something like that. Because for again, chances are again Ubuntu, right? So Ubuntu desktop. It is made for desktop PC, right? So chances a desktop PC has it has like some, I don't know, Intel or AMD, right? So I mean it is like similar stuff. So I think developers of Ubuntu already have tuned to the maximum the performance of the kernel. Um, Maybe I'm wrong. So maybe I don't know. Okay, you know what? Mm, okay, so I think security is a major part of Linux, right? But for example, I don't want security at all. Okay, so what do I do? I don't know. Grep security. Maybe it would be even easier. .config. Sorry, man. Okay, config decal. Okay, so for example, this one I think is can be disabled. So by default it's enabled. The configuration indicates that the default security model for access control and monetary access in Linux. Let's break down what this means. Okay, so what if I will disable this app armor? Okay, because I don't need it. Okay, so app armor basically, if you don't know, it's a Linux security module that provides blah blah blah. If set to no, app armor is not another security module may be used unless explicitly configured otherwise. Okay, how to disable security, all security in kernel. So okay, I have another stuff here, but again, I don't know which one should I. Um, by the way, what is M? I think it's module. Uh, okay, so we have something like that. So it is connected with the security of. Yeah. Okay, guys. You know what? I mean, let's try to disable whole security. By the way, what is this? Find the starting CMD Linux. It suggests to run. No, this is not what I want. So okay. Wait, it will compile. Oh my god. Okay, I don't want. Yeah, the problem is that I don't want to recompile it. But I think if we change config, we will compile everything from zero. Oh my god. Okay, that is bad. Land log. Mm, because my idea is to just disable this stuff, right? So what I mean by that is grep equals y. Yeah, so what I mean is just grab this stuff and actually disable it using no. Yeah, probably that's good, but another question I have is, okay, so imagine that we have disabled those or another, so we changed our kernel, right? So the question is, uh, what will be the result? So imagine I disable them, I boot it into my new modified kernel, and what next? um, I don't see any difference, right? uh, Chances are that I will not see any difference really. So I hope so. So we need, I mean, it will be good if there will be some benchmark, right? So let's check that out. Um, Kernel performance. Okay, so we are aiming for performance. Benchmark. Okay, I see some tools. I don't know. Sysbench. Okay, what is Sysbench? Okay, install me. What? Oh my god. Hmm. Mm, okay, let's CPU performance stress ng to LM. Okay, let's use this one. What? No stress workers to 1 day, 0 seconds run per stressor. Okay, we end up with this one. Okay, sudo install. Okay, that's cool. Um, sysbench example. I don't know, let's check. Okay, what have we done? CPU max prime, what is it? Threads for run. Okay, and here is the general statistic. Okay, so CPU speed events per. Okay, so we have. Oh, that's. I mean, that's okay. I mean, we can work with that. So let's just save it somehow, and I will just run another terminal and do the same. So we will see that it is actually constant values. Um, okay. So one. Do you see it? Okay, I will read anyway. So here we have 1344. Here 137. Here both 10 seconds, both 13,000, and 2 to 9, 28. Okay, here latency max is changed. 95 percentile is the same, and this is the same. What is fairness? I don't know. Um, but it's quite okay. Okay, guys, cool. So let's then change this stuff to some file. Perf, okay? And then we will disable all security stuff. And I hope. Okay, guys. Um, I will go now to walk with my dog. So let's quickly run the compilation because it will take ages, you know. So perf. I will check that. Yep, nice. So all the statistics are here. Okay, let's check 1489. Ooh, oh my god. Wait, one. Oh my god. Yeah, the problem I see that values are very close, so I don't think we will see real difference. But anyway, you know what? It doesn't matter. I mean, I don't really care about security, so disable security seems, if not very boosting performance, but logical. Just logical, okay? Okay, that's all. That's all. Okay, so let's go back. So grab. Okay, so yeah, so I grabbed it. So how to automatically change them? Okay, I have one. Oh my god. Um. Okay. First, let's grab them to file. Okay. Second, let's use set. Set. Okay, no, I don't know how to use it. Set change lines in file. Okay, you gave me a lot of stuff. Come on, stop it. Stop it! Um, Always make sure to have backups of important files. Okay, that's a good hint. Yeah, let's really make a backup. So uh, copy config config 2. Nice. Okay, so we have a backup, and then let's okay, I don't actually want to replace. I just want to print. And I believe that can be easily done with print command. And here I will paste this. Oh no. Okay, set print lines from file. Okay, minus n. Okay. Sorry, guys. Set okay. Dot config. Nice. But I will say minus n. Nice. So it prints only the one I need. Nice. So now I will also say security and add some something around. Okay, and then I will get our file. Seems the same, right? So I will put it in another file called f2, and now we will div f and f2. Okay, I think this means that they are not different, and this is great. Okay, let's check that echo to f. Okay, to f. Yeah, nice. Um, so yeah, so we did it, and this is cool. So now what we want, I mean, this will not change the file because minus I is change in place. Does it? Yes, nice. Um, okay. And now let's change it. So I will change it. How to change it? I think maybe like this. Okay, let's just look. Uh, delete me. Okay, okay. So we say substitute now our pattern, and then we say substitute on what? No, I'm wrong. Mm, okay, what if? Okay. Um, can I print it also? Can I print it? Okay, seems great. Um, Now we will capture, I believe this is capture. Nice! Man, I'm really cool, you know? I'm really cool. I'm like very cool. And we'll just add equal, no. That's all. And now I will just say in place, and that's all, guys. Remember we have created backup, so let's just div dot config dot config 2, And that's all, guys. You see, here we have um, no, no. Here we have yes, here we have no. Oh my god, it's double time. It doubles, right? Anyway, I don't think it's critical, but yeah, it doubles. Okay, okay, no problem, guys. And yeah, let's just again grab how we grabbed, and we say no. So yeah, because we change it to no. It's quite large, right? Ah, maybe it was already no. Okay, guys, that's all. I mean, I'm ready. I created this config, so now let's make it again. But wait, do we need to make? Oh my God, it will take ages, right? But anyway, I will make -j4, then I will make modules. Okay, you know what? No, I will just do it step by step. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. I'll just wait so it will start to actually install. It will mean that there is no any problems with config. Yep, it started. Okay, guys, so yeah, so it will take ages, you know. And yes, so as I said, and as you can see, it compiles beginning from the start. So it's sad, but when you change config, it will compile everything from the start. So yeah. I wish I had more cores, not only four, but I don't want to spend money on on modern processors, and I also don't see any. By the way, we in theory we could just pay for some, I don't know, pay for some. Yeah, guys, I mean, it is hard to really to really find out the best solution for kernel, because imagine every time you change um, at least one parameter, it will start to build it from scratch again and again. It will take ages, and I don't see any profit from it. So yeah, I guess this will be the last time I actually will compile my kernel, to be honest. But I don't know, maybe no, maybe we will see. Maybe next I will just say everything no, and we'll see will my system actually work. Yeah, that's a great actually chance. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you can see, it is still compiling, right? So I compile Linux, then I would need to install, I guess, modules, and then install Linux in this sequence. So yeah, let's wrap up this video. Subscribe, leave like, and of course comment, and of course share this video among the world. Goodbye. Yo.